Hi guys, I'm Shazad and welcome on our YouTube channel. Today's we gonna discuss or we're gonna teach you the Amazon Lightsail. This is a crash course and you're gonna learn each and everything in a single video. We're gonna start from the zero, like what is the Lightsail, how can you create your instance, how can you connect your instance with your domain, how can you configure your instance, how can you install the operating system in your instance, how can you configure some other things, how can you install the WordPress, how can you access your WordPress. We're gonna teach you each and every things which is necessary in Lightsail. We're gonna also discuss that how can you install the SSL certificate or the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate in your Lightsail instance. Amazon is providing the web services for you like EC2, container services like machine learning and like system manager, and also the snowmobile, EFS, a lot of services they are providing. You're gonna learn many things in this series like how can you create your instance. We'll discuss about each and everything in our later lectures, but for now Amazon Lightsail is the easiest way to get started on the AWS. You can create your instance within a minute, and also they are providing a lot of options for you like you can also choose your OS, Ubuntu. They are also providing the Amazon Linux. We will discuss about them. And also if you are working on WordPress, Magento, Drupal, Joomla, so they are also providing, and also they are also giving you some functionality, or you can also start if you are working on the Node.js, LAMP, and also the GitLab. We will discuss about them. While creating any instance, you can also select your region, and they are also providing the low cost or the low prices. Like you can start your hosting in just $3.50. That means $4 for US dollar. And also they have other packages like $10, $20, $40 and $80. We will discuss about the packages in our later lectures. They are also providing the easy to use interface, so you're gonna learn many things like how can you create your Amazon account, how can you manage your network, and how can you install the SSL certificate in your Lightsail account. We use the WordPress because we are going to install the WordPress in our instance. And also you're gonna learn how can you create your phpMyAdmin. That means how can you access your phpMyAdmin, because accessing phpMyAdmin and also the files is different from the shared hosting. So now type AWS. So as you can see, they are saying Amazon Web Services. Click on this. So aws.amazon.com. This is the official website of the AWS. So as you can see, they are saying complete sign up. Now create your account. Here provide your email address. I'm saying digitalswat@gmail.com. make sure this is digitalswat7, and I'm saying okay. Now I'm saying this is the username, digital swat. You can also use, or you can also select, or you can also provide your username. Click on this. So as you can see, they are saying please select the account type. If you are going to create your personal account, you can click on this, or if you are a programmer or professional, you can also create your professional account. So I'm saying I'm a professional because I'm a programmer. So the company is Digital SWAT. The phone number is okay. Now the country is Pakistan, and the address You can also use your account, your address, because this is your account, and I'm saying this is the state and my postal code. Okay, I have checked. Okay, now you are ready to go. Just click on the create account. So now as you can see, you have to provide your debit and credit card for your payment. So provide your card. Your expiration date. Now card holder, I'm saying Shahzad Ahmed, and the same billing address. You can also use your new billing address. So I'm saying verify and add account. I'm going to provide my, okay, here you can provide your country and the code and the phone number. So they will call you to verify your account. I don't have the extension, that's why I'm not going to provide, or I'm not providing. So provide the captcha. Contact, so they will call you. Wait for a few seconds. Okay, I have received the call.
Hello, this is an automated call from Amazon Web Services. Using the touchpad on your phone, please enter the 4-digit PIN number that was displayed on the screen. We have successfully verified your PIN. Please return to Amazon Web Services to complete your registration. Thank you for your interest in Amazon Web Services.
So as you can see, I have just verified my account with my phone number. So click on the continue. Okay, so they are saying select a support plan. So they are giving few types of plan. So basic plans. In the basic plan, as you can see, they are saying free. It's a free plan included with all accounts, 24/7 self-services access to forum and resources, best practice checks to, okay. You can also choose your developer plan. So they will charge you $29 per month for early adoptions, test and development, and you can also use your business account for productions, workload and business critical dependencies. Okay, so I am going to choose this one because it's a free. Okay, now I have to sign in with my account. Okay, now you have to log in with your account which we have just created. So as you can see, I have another account with my another email address. So it's my personal account. So you have to click on this link to add your account. Provide your email address. So this is the email address, digitalsort7@gmail.com. So click on this. Okay, they are saying clear your cache or something like that. So open this in incognito mode and open your sign in account here or sign in page. Okay, I'm saying AWS Amazon. Click on the my account. Okay, click on the create your or sign up. Here is a sign in. Okay, don't worry, click on this link to sign in to your account. So now I'm going to provide my email address. So I'm saying digitalsort7@gmail.com. click on this. So as you can see, it's accepting my account and provide your password. Click on this. So now they are redirecting you to your console. Okay, so as you can see, this is your AWS Management Console where you can manage your services. You can also change your region from here. So as you can see, Ohio. You can also change any region from here. So this is my account, and now go to the services, and as you can see, a lot of services available here. We'll discuss about the Lightsail because we are working on the Lightsails. They are also providing a bunch of services like for storage S3, as you can see, for database. These are the database and a lot of services they are doing. Okay, you have successfully logged in. Now go to your account and check how many emails you have received. So this is my account email. So now as you can see, I have received 4 email accounts. One is Amazon Web Services. So as you can see, they are saying welcome to Amazon Web Services. Click on this to get started. So they will guide you that these are the services they are providing. You can also sign in with your account or console. So now no reply at AWS, getting started. So as you can see, these are the emails you have received, and another email, no reply, AWS is your account is ready. So you can see they are saying learn with tutorials and also some billings and something like that. Okay, now you have another email address. Fine. So you have received 4 types of email. So now as you can see, I have logged in with my official account, which we have activated. You can also choose your regions. We have already discussed about this. They also providing a lot of services. Click on the service. As you can see, this is the Lightsail. Click on the Lightsail. So they will redirect you from the official console to your Lightsail account. So as you can see, they are asking you about your language. So this is English language. You can also choose your other language. So I'm saying let's get started. So as you can see, the current zone is the Singapore. You can also change your zone. Okay, so you have different type of services because Lightsail is providing different type of services. One is the select your platform. So you can see they are saying select your platform. It's a Linux or Microsoft. If you are working on Microsoft platform, just click on the Microsoft and install the Windows Server 2006 and also the Windows Server R2, and they have different type of packages. So as you can see, monthly $8. So first month is free. So in the $8 they are providing you the 512 MB RAM, 1 CPU and 13 GB SSD drive, and also the transfer data is the 1 terabyte. They have a lot of packages here. So you can see the maximum package is $240. In the $240, if you are choosing the Windows, they are giving you the $240 per month, 32 GB memory, 8 CPU processor or the processing unit, and 640 GB SSD storage and 7 TB data transfer. So if you are creating an instance, just click on the package and also identify your instance or give your instance name. Okay, if you are working on the Linux or Unix, just click on the Linux or Unix, and in the Linux and Unix they are giving some services, like you can also install the OS only in your instance. So you can see they are giving the Amazon Linux, Ubuntu and also the Ubuntu 18.05. okay, you can also choose another OS like CentOS and like others. So click on the App Plus OS. In the App Plus OS, they are giving you some functionality or some services, like if you are working on WordPress, you can install the WordPress 5.1.1 and dash version, or if you have multiple WordPress websites, just click on the multiple WordPress websites. Okay, if you want to install the LAMP, Node.js, Joomla, Magento, Mean and Drupal, GitLab, so just select your services and select your package, create your instance. So it's very easy, and you can also change your key. By default it's this key. So before creating any instance, you have to download this key, because this key is necessary. You always access your account with this key. Without this key you cannot access your account. And you have some other settings here. You have your account, you can click on the customer support, and you also click on the billing, and so they will redirect you to your main console where you can set or reset your billing or card address. Okay, you can also view your documentations. So Lightsail also providing you the documentations, that how can you create your SSH and connecting to your Lightsail instance, and some other documentations available here. You can also view this, and as you can see, this is the zone or the region. Just click on this if you want to change the region, the Mumbai. So change your region or select your region from here. Okay, wait for a few seconds, so they will change your region. So as you can see, it's fine. And here when you create your account or your instance, so as you can see, they are saying plan in Mumbai include lower data transfer allowances than other regions. Okay, so that's why you can create your region like in Mumbai. You can also select your region like Tokyo or Virginia, Ohio, and also the Canada and the Ireland and also the London. Okay, so it's totally depend upon you and your requirement. Okay, now as you can see, you are at the home and instance. Okay, just click on this. You have no task in progress. You have home menu, you have documentation, account, settings, and you have few menus. You have your database, and you have your networking, you have your storage, and you have your snapshot. We'll discuss about that in our later lectures, but for now we are going to create the instance. You have no instance right now. Just click on the instance button. So now you have to choose your region. I am selecting the Mumbai or the Virginia. Okay, I'm selecting the Virginia. Okay, now you have few choices. Either you are working on the Linux or you are working on the Microsoft platform. Just choose your platform. Okay, I'm choosing the Linux, and I'm going to choose the WordPress. If you have multiple WordPress website, just click on this. If you are going to install or if you are going to work on the Joomla, just click on this to create your Joomla setup. If you are working on Magento, click on the Magento to set up your Magento instance. If you are working on the Drupal. Okay, I'm going to work on the WordPress. Make sure this is the app plus OS, so they will install the OS with your application. If you want to install the OS only, just click on this and they will install you the OS for you. Okay, I'm saying app plus OS, so click on the WordPress. So you have few things. Just as you can see, you are using the default SSH key pair for connecting to your instance, so you have to download this key because you always access your instance with this key. So now in the F drive, I'm going to create a folder. I'm saying AWS. We are going to keep all our resources here, so click on this. So now here is the key. I have downloaded my key, and now you have to write your instance name. I'm saying WordPress site or something. You can also use your name. Now choose your instance plan or choose your data plan. So first month is free for you. So as you can see, they will charge you $40 per month. So they are giving you 512 MB RAM, 512 MB RAM, 1 CPU, 20 GB SSD drive, and also 1 TB. Choose your desired package. So they are also giving you in $5, they are giving you 1 GB RAM, 1 CPU, and 40 GB SSD drive. So this is best for business website. Like if you have a simple static website, you have to choose this one. Or if you have a WordPress website, you can also choose this one. Okay, because this site is suitable for this kind of website or insurance haven. So as you can see, this is the digital sword website. This is the company website. Or we have 5+ pages or some data here. So okay, so as you can see, the same things here. We have 4 to 5 pages and some static data here. So this is enough for $3.5 or $5. You can also choose your package. It's totally depend upon your need. They are also giving you the $160 in $160, 30 GB RAM, 8 CPU, 640 GB SSD drive in $160 per year. Okay, so in this case I am just selecting this one because it's free. Okay, now as you can see, they are saying you can try the selected plan free for 1 month, 750 hours. Okay, now create an instance. Wait for a few seconds. They will create you the instance. Okay, now you are ready to go. So you can create any instance within a minute. Okay, now as you can see, it's currently running. So copy your IP address and paste your IP in your URL. As you can see, you have just configured the WordPress website or WordPress setup on your instance. Okay, now how can you access your WP admin? Because you know very well that definitely you have a WP admin account. And now if you open your email, okay, now if you open your email, so as you can see, you have not received any email yet. In the next lecture, I will teach you how can you access your WP admin account, because WP admin account is different from the shared hosting. You always create your instance or the WordPress setup on shared hosting account, and they will email you. Or if you are installing the WordPress manually, you define your credentials. But Lightsail never give you the WordPress credentials. But we'll discuss how can you access your WordPress credentials by clicking on this, or by accessing this shell, and by performing some commands. So now you have your IP address. Just click on this and access your WordPress account. So this is your website. Now click on this one. So as you can see, this is the SSH shell. Now here, as you can see, you have your IP address. You have to run few commands to view your admin password for the WordPress. How? I'm saying cat Bitnami application, and now I'm saying password. Hit the enter button. So now as you can see, they are giving you the password. So select your password. Select your password. Right click, copy, and keep this password in a safe place. Now go to your admin account. Access your WP admin by adding the WP admin URL in your main URL. So as you can see, you have to use your username or email and also the password. Okay, now your username is user by default, and add the password which we have copied from the shell to your notepad. Password, I'm saying remember login. Wait for a few seconds. So now as you can see, you have just logged in with your account. So now update your plugins, and now I'm saying update. Okay, now as you can see, it's working fine. So you have successfully updated your plugin. Now you need to update the themes. You can also change your password here, all user. So now as you can see, you have one user, role is administrator. Enter. You can change your password from here. So in this way you can access your accounts credentials by using the shells. So now copy your IP, paste your IP here, and access your phpMyAdmin. So now as you can see, it's saying for security reasons this URL is only accessible using localhost. Okay, if you want to open some other websites like Parktels or like Insurance Haven and access your phpMyAdmin, so now this is the shared hosting. And okay, if you open the Insurance Haven and I'm saying this is the cPanel, it's redirecting you to the cPanel. Or if you access your IP and write the cPanel here, so now as you can see, it's not showing you the cPanel, your cPanel. Okay, wait for a few seconds. This is the shared hosting, and now if you access your phpMyAdmin, now as you can see, you are accessing your phpMyAdmin on URL. So now how can you access your phpMyAdmin? So you need few things to access your phpMyAdmin, right? Find this software, it's a putty, click on this. putty.org is the official account, click on this. So now as you can see, you have few choices. You have to download two things. First of all, you have to download the Msi Windows Installer. I have the 64-bit operating system, so I have to download this one. If you have a 32-bit operating system, you have to download this one. So click on the software, and now as you can see, I am installing on the AWS. I'm saving, or I have to keep this setup on AWS, which we have created in our previous lectures. Click on this. I have downloaded. Now I need to download one other thing, which is the Puttygen. Okay, so now 64-bit and 32-bit and also the 64-bit. I'm downloading the 64-bit because I have a 64-bit operating system. Now open this one. We have downloaded our key. Open this one, Putty generator. Okay, now as you can see, you have your Putty generator. Okay, now click on the Putty generate and load and find your key. So I'm saying AWS. Open your all files. So as you can see, this is your key. Now as you can see, successfully imported. Now what you need, you just need to click on the save private key. Click on this one. Are you sure you want to save this key? I'm saying yes. Now I'm going to keep this file here. I'm saying my key. Okay, now click on the save button. So now as you can see, we have just created the .ppk file. Okay, you have to use the .pem file while creating or generating the .ppk file. Okay, now just click on the installer. Next. I'm saying yes. Okay, now I'm saying Putty. because we have just installed. Now go to your instance, copy your IP address and paste your IP address here. The port is 22, and also save your sessions, and I'm saying load, sorry, IP address, and also I'm saying save. So I'm saying this is my current IP. Now go to your SSH and also click on the auth. Provide your key here, which we have just created. And now I'm saying in the F drive, I have AWS, and here is your key. Now click on the tunnel. Here you have to use the 8888 and also the localhost colon 80. Click on the add. So go to your data and auto login username. Provide the bitnami as a user and go to your session. Click on the open. So now as you can see, yes, okay, it's fine. So open your new tab, access localhost colon 888/phpMyAdmin. So now as you can see, you have just access your admin panel. So click on this localhost. By default is the root is your username, and the password is which we have just copied from the. Click on this. Okay, now this is your database, or these are your database. So bitnami WordPress. So you can see these are the tables available here. You can also create some other tables or some other database from here. So simply you cannot access your phpMyAdmin directly, but you can access your phpMyAdmin using this software, and where you can download this software. So these informations available in the descriptions below. You can also find them. I'm using the FileZilla, which is the FTP client. So FileZilla, click on the FileZilla. So as you can see, this is the FTP accounts, the free FTP solutions. So download this one and install this one. A lot of tutorials available on the YouTube. You can also view that how can you download and install the FileZilla. I have already installed the FileZilla. So now open your FileZilla. So you can see this is a FileZilla. Click on the site manager. I'm going to create a new manager. I'm saying WordPress. I'm saying Shexy. Okay, now here click on the SFTP or SSH file transfer protocol. So select this one. So write your host name. So this is your IP address. Now I'm saying key. So write bitnami. Select your dot file. I'm saying where is the AWS. This is the AWS. So I'm saying all file. Select your .pem file. It's fine. I'm saying this is the green background. And now connect. Wait for a few seconds so it can connect with your instance. So now as you can see, you have your instance. So click on this and click on the htdocs, and now this is the htdocs. Okay, go to the Bitnami, and now here is the apps. Click on the WordPress, and now as you can see, click on the htdocs. Now you have a lot of files available here. So as you can see, this is the index.php file, and you have a lot of files available here. So you can also edit or update your files by downloading or by opening the files in your text editor. So it's totally dependent upon you. So first of all, open your instance. So go to your home. So as you can see, this is your IP address. If you click on the manage, so as you can see, the IP address is this is your public IP address. You need this public IP address, and go to the GoDaddy. So this is the official website of the GoDaddy for the Pakistan. Okay, now I'm saying these are my products. Okay, now I'm saying I have this domain. I'm saying DNS settings. So now as you can see, you have some settings here. You have the records, and also what you just need to copy your IP address and click on this and paste your IP address here. So it will point the domain to your instance. So just click on the save button. So as you can see, now you have your public IP. You have inserted your public IP as a records here. Fine. So it takes 1 hour to 24 hours to available on the internet. So now as you can see, I'm accessing my accounts. Click on this. For now, I have this domain on the shared hosting. Once it's available, I will show you. Okay, so as you can see, I have received the email from the GoDaddy. So they are saying your name server has changed. So click on the domain shekzy.com, SHEKZEE. So as you can see, I have my WordPress domain hosted on the Amazon Lightsail. So hit the WP admin, and now you know very well that we keep our password here. So username is user and password is the same, which we have, this one. Okay, now paste. Log in with your account. As you can see, you have logged in with your account. And click on this bad boy. Okay, I'm opening the SSH. So now here type or find install SSL on Lightsail. So Lightsail has its own blog step by step. So as you can see, they are saying sign in with the console, go to the Lightsail, open the SSH. So I have already opened this bad boy. So okay, so it's connecting. Okay, I'm saying okay. Now click once again, wait for a few seconds. Okay, now I have connected. Now as you can see, step 3, they are saying install. So copy this bad boy, copy, open this one shell, paste your code here, right click, paste, hit the enter button. So as you can see, it's installing. Okay, now they have step 4, copy all code, open the shell, paste the code here, hit the enter button, done. Now you have enter the following command, copy this bad boy, right click, paste, and hit the enter button. So now as you can see, it's fine. Now go to the 6 steps. It's a 6th step. Right click, paste. Why I'm doing this? Because it's hard to write each and every command, so that's why, and definitely it's time consuming, so I'm saving my time. So 7th, right click, paste, hit the enter button. Now as you can see, they are saying request let's encrypt SSL wildcard certificate. So you can also read this one, but I'm saying, or I'm doing like this: domain equals to, let's suppose I'm saying Shexy, because my domain is shexy.com. so as you can see, it's shexy.com. okay, now we are using this domain, so fine, I'm saying my domain is shexy.com, hit the enter button. Now I'm saying wildcard equals to, and make sure multiply by dot domain name, which we have just created. In this time I'm saying domain. So now hit the enter button. Now as you can see, you have to echo the domain, either you have successfully or entered the correct domain or not. I'm saying echo, so small letters echo, and now domain, hit the enter button. So as you can see, it's saying shexy.com. now again I'm saying echo, and now I'm saying dollar wildcard. So as you can see, it's saying dollar static shexy.com. okay, now you have this step. Just copy this bad boy, go to the page or shell, paste this bad boy here, hit the enter button. okay, now as you can see, it's saying are you okay with your IP being logged? You have to say that's oh yes, fine. okay, now I'm saying yes, by enter. So now as you can see, they are saying please deploy a DNS text record under the same this bad boy name. Now as you can see, this is the same screenshots. Now what you need, you just need to copy this bad boy. First of all, copy this bad boy. okay, now as you can see, they are saying DNS zone, and they are saying go to the home page, choose the networking tab. So this is the home page, it's a networking tab. So this is a DNS zone, define subdomains for a domain and direct traffic to your endpoint. Or okay, so now as you can see, they are saying under the DNS zone sections of home page, choose the DNS zones for the domain that you specify in the CertBot certificate request. So I'm saying click on this one. I'm saying this is the domain shexy.com. hit the enter button. So now as you can see, you have just entered the DNS zone. Now what you need, as you can see, they are saying in the DNS zone editor choose add record. So add record. Now here they are saying in the 4th step, in the record type drop down, choose the text record. So this is the text record. And now here as you can see, you have to enter the key and also the response with. okay, now as you can see, open this one and select the range, copy, go to the editor, paste your code here, and now you have to also copy this bad boy. Right click, copy. So now in the second line, add. Now copy this bad boy and go to the page here, and now as you can see, you have to add this record here. You don't need to specify this one, wait for a few seconds, this one, because it's already included. Here as you can see, it's already included. Now you have to use the key here. So this is the key here. Fine. So as you can see, fine, choose the save icon. So save icon, you have successfully entered. 7th, it's saying repeat step 3 to 6 to add the second of the text record, specify the let's encrypt certificate request. So I think I have only one. Enter the continue button. So now as you can see, they are saying they have another one. So this is another, right click, copy. So now we have 2 records. So as you can see, repeat 3 to 6. So this is the 3, add record, click on this one, add record, select the text record, and this is the second one, and make sure you have to add this bad boy. Right click, copy, and this bad boy. Now remove the spaces. Now copy this bad boy, open this one, add the record, and now I'm saying I have another key, so fine. So save the record. So I have 2 records, 2 separate records now. So now as you can see, we have completed this step. So now they are saying step 5, confirm that the text record have propagated. So now click on this link. So this link is available. So copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy here. In this time I'm saying shakesy.com. Click on this button. So now as you can see, it's saying your DNS hosting provider is GoDaddy, and you have some other informations. Okay, now I'm going to open the GoDaddy account. GoDaddy. This is the GoDaddy, and I'm going to log in with my account. I have this domain. I'm saying DNS. Now here is the name servers. Okay, so as you can see, we have name servers. So now you have to specify the name servers. So these are the name servers. Now click this one. Now I'm saying DNS, copy this bad boy, I'm saying change. So these are the name servers you have to change before doing this or before installing, because it's currently not fetching the records. Okay, now so this is my first domain name servers. Second one, I'm saying add another name servers. Third one, add another name servers, and this is the fourth one. So now I'm saving the records. So definitely they will show you some notifications. As you can see, feature may be unavailable while we process your updates. Some updates require confirmations. Please check your inbox for possible confirmations email. So now I have to open my account email. So Okay, now it's not postmaster, it's also not here. So wait for a few seconds or minutes, because we have updated the name servers. Okay, I'm saying domains, all domains. I'm saying this is my, and now I'm saying I have to manage my domains. Manage DNS. So as you can see, we have inserted the domains here. It's fine. If you click on this one, now as you can see, it's saying we have found. So definitely, because we have not received any email yet from the GoDaddy, but now it's fine. So that means you have successfully created this step or completed. Now as you can see, it's saying complete the Let's Encrypt certificate request. It's saying to complete the Let's Encrypt SSL certificate request in the Lightsail. So open this bad boy. So I'm saying you just need to click on the enter button. It's saying press enter to continue, waiting for response. It's saying congratulations, your certificate and chain have been saved at this bad boy. So as you can see, it's also saying the same screenshot. Now they are saying please note the expiry date. So as you can see, this is the expiry date. So copy this bad boy, right click, copy, paste this bad boy here, fine. And now the next step, it's saying create link to the Let's Encrypt certificate. Now it's saying create link the Let's Encrypt certificate files in the Apache directory. What you need: in the Lightsail browser SSL sessions for your WordPress instance, enter the following command. So now you have successfully inserted, copy this bad boy, right click, paste this bad boy. It's saying syntax okay and fine, because you have stopped the instance. Okay, so now as you can see, PHP stopped, MySQL stopped. So as you can see, fine. Enter the following command to set an environment variables. So how? Copy this bad boy or just go to the page. I'm saying domain equals to, enter your domain here. Now hit the enter button. As you can see, it's saying echo, so load later. And now I'm saying domain. So before doing this, you have to add the $sign. That means it's a variable. Enter the button. So as you can see, you have successfully added or entered the correct domain. So now here, as you can see, enter the following commands. So copy this bad boy, go to the shell, right click, paste here, enter the button, wait for a few seconds, fine, copy this bad boy, right click, paste here, hit the enter button, fine, copy this bad boy, right click, paste and hit the enter button. Now as you can see, enter the following commands. So copy this bad boy, right click, paste, hit the enter button. Once again, copy this bad boy, right click, paste and hit the enter button. So now you have to start the instance. So copy this bad boy, right click, paste. So now hit the enter button. So now you are going to start the PHP and also the MySQL. So as you can see, MySQL started at port 3306, and also PHP FPM started. Wait for a few seconds. So fine, syntax fine, HTTP started at port 0. Now as you can see, integrate, so this is the step 8. So integrate the SSL certificate with your WordPress site using this simple plugin. So now to integrate, so it's saying to integrate SSL certificate with your WordPress site using the really simples, what you need, just need to execute this command. So now, because you are allowing, now hit the enter button. Fine. So now they are saying open your browser and sign into your administration's dashboard of your WordPress instance. So now I'm saying WP admin. I don't know what is the actual code or the credentials. I think it's a user, and I don't know about the code. Okay, so now as you can see, they are saying that you have to log in with your account. So I have successfully logged in with my account. So now follow the steps. So now as you can see, they are saying go to the plugins. So go to the plugins, new plugins, and now here as you can see, find this bad boy. This is a real simple SSL plugin. So find this bad boy. So install this bad boy, activate this bad boy. So you have successfully activated. Now as you can see, they are saying after it's done install, choose the activate. In the prompt, go to the head active SSL certificate. So now, so this is the tool, and I think it's available in the settings. So it's the SSL. So now how can I reload over HTTPS? So as you can see, detected possible certifications issues, reload HTTPS. Okay, so now as you can see, I am successfully installed the SSL certificate for my website. Okay, now this is the user, and I have to use my password. Don't worry, I'm going to change this one. So click this bad boy. So I'm saying it's a user, and now I'm saying login. So I have successfully logged in. So now as you can see, it's saying almost ready to migrate the SSL certificate. It's saying go ahead and activate SSL. So now as you can see, SSL is enabled on your websites. 301 redirect. Fine. Now as you open your shakespeare.com websites, it's now currently using the HTTPS. If you copy this bad boy, paste this bad boy, remove S from the website and hit the enter button. So now as you can see, it's redirecting from HTTP to HTTPS. So as you can see, this is the website. We have successfully installed the SSL certificate, but after 3 months. So as you can see, it's giving us the error. So okay, now you just need to log in with your AWS account. So as you can see, I have already logged in, and you have to click on the Lightsail link. Once you click, as you can see, this is the panel of the Lightsail. What you need, just need to find the code that how can you update the SSL certificate. So I'm saying install SSL certificate in AWS Lightsail. So now as you can see, this is the video. As you can see, this is Shakespeare. You can also view our video available on the YouTube. And we also have some blogs. As you can see, these are the blogs. Just click on this blog. This is the official blog. Okay, now I have already found some blogs. Okay, now as you can see, this is the blog. I will add this link in the description below. Okay, now as you can see, when you go back the bottom, as you can see, this is the renew let's encrypt certificate every 19 days. When you click on this, as you can see, you have to start from here. You don't need to follow these steps. So now what you need, just open your instance or SSH, and now I'm going to provide. Okay, we have successfully opened the SSH. Now what you need, you just need to go to the panel, copy this one and paste in your text editor. As you can see, the domain name, this is the domain name, kfbh.pk. So you have to write the domain name here and copy this bad boy, go to the SSH and paste here. So now click on the enter button. What you need, just need to click on this script, right click, paste, hit the enter button, and now as you can see, both are the same things. Now echo your domain and also the wildcard you have just inserted, right click, so paste, enter. As you can see, kfbh and also the static.kfbh. Now you have to copy this one and right click, paste, enter, wait for a few seconds. As you can see, it's saying, are you okay with your IP being logged? I'm saying yes, hit the enter button. So now as you can see, it's giving us the record. So copy this bad boy, right click, copy, make sure do not use your shortcut by using your keyboard. So as you can see, this is the name, and you have to also copy this bad boy or this code. Okay, right click, copy, paste, and now you have to open your routes 53, and here as you can see, find this bad boy, or you have to use the record, which is the txt record. So now as you can see, this is the same thing which we have copied from the blog. What you need, just need to update this bad boy. Okay, now I'm pasting here, saving the record. So I have successfully updated the record. Now open your box. So now as you can see, you have to repeat this twice, but by clicking on this, just click on this one, this bad boy. Okay, not, we also have where we have to verify this domain. We must have the, okay, this, just click on this bad boy or this link, which is the mxtoolbox.com/txt lookup.aspx. Okay, so what you need, you just need to copy this, paste this here, click on the text lookup. So now as you can see, it's finding us the record. Fine. Now what you need, you just need to open this bad boy or the SSH, hit the continue button. So as you can see, it's giving us another record. So copy this bad boy, right click, copy, keep this in our text editor. You have to also copy this bad boy or this code and paste here. Now go to your routes 53. As you can see, this is the routes 53. Find this record, click on this one, and you have to update this record. Now save this record. You have successfully updated the record. So now what you need, you just need to copy this bad boy and paste this bad boy here. So now as you can see 4y. So this is the 4y. Now if you click on the button again, as you can see it's saying you -ces. So this is the second record. It's fine. What you need, just need to go to the SSH panel, hit the enter button. So now as you can see it's saying waiting for verification. So the following errors were, so as you can see it's not finding this record. So I don't know why it's not finding, because I think we have to wait some few minutes or 1 to 2 minutes. Okay, fine. If you face this kind of error, what you need, just need to go to the panel here and start from this first step and then second step. So this is your first step. Now open your command, right click, paste, and now click your wildcard, paste. Okay, so you have to echo also these domains or TLDs. So as you can see, fine. Now you have to use this command, copy, paste, click on the, enter the link. I'm saying yes, it will give you 2 records. One is this, second is this. So now you have to copy this record, copy, and you have to paste this record here. This is your first record. So what you need, just copy this bad boy, go to your routes 53. So routes 53, find your txt, make sure find this record, click on this, and now copy this bad boy or this code, go to your panel. Okay, now click on the save record, fine, and now click on the txt. As you can see, it's not showing you the code which we have just updated. So what you need, just need to wait for few seconds or minutes. Let's click on the button again. So now as you can see, it's showing you the message. Okay, fine. Click on the enter button. It will give you another. Okay, fine. So we have successfully updated. So as you can see, congratulations, your certificate and chain have been saved at XYZ domain. Now this is the date. You have to copy this date for future usage, paste, and now what you need, you just need to follow some other steps. So now as you can see, this is the tutorials. You have used this one, you have followed these steps. So ignore these steps because we have already followed. And now we have the congratulations message. So now as you can see, they are saying just click on this bad boy or this code. You have to stop your instance. So paste, stop. So it will stop your instance. Now go to the panel and click on the domain. So this is the domain name. Just click on this bad boy, right click, paste, fine, and now copy your this code to view that you have successfully inserted the proper domain. It's a kfbh.pk. Okay, now you have to copy this one and paste here. Second bad boy or the second code, third code, hit the enter button. Fourth one, and now this one, and now this one. Please start your wait for a few seconds. MySQL, as you can see, MySQL started at port XYZ. So as you can see, MySQL started, PHP started, so started at port 80. So now what you just need to go to the page, refresh the page. So now as you can see, we have successfully updated the SSL certificate for our Lightsail instance. So I hope guys you are enjoying our videos or the courses. So if you think we are doing good, thumbs up. Do share our courses with your friends, also on social networks, and please do support us by clicking the subscribe button and pressing the bell icon. So thank you for watching.